So you want to know how to use Jamaican stone? I'll tell you exactly how to use Jamaican stone. This is how you do. You take a little piece of Jamaican stone, like this. I like to put a little bit of water on my hand. I will rub the stone on the palm of my hand with a little bit of water to have like a little bit of milky paste. You rub that milky paste on the tip of your penis. Keep it on there for a few minutes, then wash it off. Wash your hands off. Don't use too much. Too much, you'll have a lot of numbingness that won't be pleasurable. So just a little bit. And then in about 15 minutes, you could be good for up to 6 hours. Even if you don't have a problem with premature ejaculation, it just increases your sexual. That's all it is. This is the real Jamaican stone. If you're looking for Jamaican stone, wholesale Jamaican stone sells the real deal. Thanks for watching my YouTube video.